Brother, here's the cutting station. This is a smart massage button. It works for all the Mercedes-Benz. For the car original with the sport. For the car original with massage. Usually, the car original come with factory is with this one, but you need to use your hand to press it, make it to work, right? So now we have this one. We have this module, intelligence massage module. This module, after you plug it this one, it can automatically works. For example, like this one, you press 1, 2, 3. When you after 3 presses, it will working automatic. It will working. See, now it's working. Now inside, and now is outside. This module it can work for any Benz car. You can see that. And you press here one button, one press, it close, it turn off. No matter the car is turn on or turn off, it can work because this is connect to the custom power. Always have power here. Very easy. And install is very easy. Plug and play. You see this? Plug and play.